Oh my God, UCAR, U-Power Limited. Jesus Christ, man. 1,000%, 600%, 500%. Yo, it was crazy today. Okay. If you saw this and you put some money in it, you really made some money back today. Okay. It was crazy. Even if you put $100, you make a decent amount of money. So again, let's get into this, right? Guys, UCAR IPO today, right? This shit it was crazy, bro. Right? I got in this thing late. I saw this late. I'll be honest, right? I'm not gonna say here in front like, man, I made so much money on this one. I made nada. I made nothing. Straight up. Basically, I was out of funds by the time this thing came out, and I noticed it. That shoot, I missed out the whole train, man. But yeah, man, shout out to my boy Bullish Wire for actually tweeting this out. I don't know how I missed this tweet. Maybe I was like a little bit busy early in the morning, taking care of the kids and stuff like that. But he did call this out. He's like, yo, if you look into this, right? Good morning. Okay, slow day. This is 11 hours ago. Okay, this is him. Good morning. Okay, slow day yesterday. So let's turn that around. IPO price today, UCAR. Okay, he put in the tweet 7 o'clock in the morning, early, before this thing even was out, right? Before the IPO. So that's my fault. Shout out to my boy Bullish Wire. We definitely going to be working and doing something here. Maybe do a quick collaboration on this channel. He's opening up a channel on his own, right? Pretty soon. So definitely look out for that. But again, man, shout out to him. Go follow him on Twitter if you haven't followed him. But man, he called us early. And just like I was telling you guys, this is crazy because look how this shit went up. It went from like, okay, some people put in, it started like a $6. Let's say some people came in $8, right? Let's say it came in late, $12, right? That went up to 75, bro. Up to 75, bro. Let's just do quick maths. Quick maths, okay? Let's just say you came in, you put $1,000, right? We're gonna keep it legit. $1,000, right? Right? And you divide this by, let's say, divided by 9, right? That's 111 stocks, right? 111 stocks. Let's say you go in, right? And you have those 111 stocks. And then now you go and you sold it and you was conservative. You sold it at 68. Right? That's $7,755. Bro, that's not a bad flip. Okay? That is not a bad flip, bro. Okay? Shoot, man. And that's just with a small amount. If you're a baller, you come in and I'm putting 100,000, 50,000, 20,000. You coming out of here with M's, bro. But again, you have to be careful with things like this IPOs, right? When the initial offering comes out, right? Because it don't always go as good as this. I can tell you that right now. And also too, do not hold it. Do not go in there thinking, well, this random Chinese company is going to be a company that's going to stay here, for the next 10 years, right? Don't hold, my guy. Again, I'm going to show you guys a couple of different examples. And this is why also, so I kind of didn't want to jump into the IPO because of this. This is like almost like a big risk, right? Let's say you go in, you buy something at 40, okay? This is GoPro when it first came out in IPO, right? Started at 35 or something. Let's say you buy it at 40, it goes up, boom. You still holding, it's like 80 something, right? You holding, you're like, man, this is a company I'm gonna hold for the long term. You hold it for the long term, my guy, right? This is 2014. By 2015, it already dropped like 50%, right? Then on top of that, or basically drop the whole thing that you basically bought in, right? From there, it continued to drop. And if you was like, nah, this thing is going to come back up. And now you're holding the bag. Let's say you put $5,000 into this thing. And now you're like, man, I wanted this thing to go to, I don't know, 100X or 50X, whatever. You was holding it, expecting this thing's going to come up. This shit is never going to come up, bro. Now from, $40 a stock, you basically got $4 per stock. So you gotta be careful. Now, sometimes it goes good. You got situations like this, like Airbnb. When it first dropped, right? Let's say it's like a 140, you got in, cool. You had like a good year of like ups and downs, which is not bad, right? And then you have the situations like now where the business is not doing so good. So that shit drops. So again, don't hold it for long term. Go in, get your money, come out. Okay, shout out to, again, Bullish Wire. This is something too that he also mentions a lot of times. Like, yo, bro, just go in and out, bro. Go in and out. Now, there's times that you have a solid company like Facebook, right? Meta. You come in, you buy at 38, it drops, right? You get a little scared. You can still hold it because it's a company that's going to be here for a long time. But again, if you're going to be day trading, make sure that when it comes to stocks like this one, you come in and out. Okay, this is like a one-day thing. We might never see this thing go as high as 70 or 60 ever again. Or we might even see tomorrow that it goes up. Now, what I suggest for anybody that's trying to get into this thing is put a little bit of money. Don't go put, the money that you was going to have for your kid for college. Don't do that, my guy. This is not the one, okay? If you go in and start looking at some of the comment sections over here, this shit is hilarious, right? People's like, yo, stocky tread ash. This is like, yo, so I know that these insane Chinese IPOs are scams, but I can't quite figure out how. Coordinated buying, taking crazy profits, money laundering, not sure how. Can someone enlighten me? This dude is like, yo, I sold my shares at 70 today. If it goes higher, let it be. That's it. I'm still happy. Okay? This guy is like a believer. He's like, man, it holds it for volatility, but I jumped at 750%. Then what's the what's the volatility? What's volatile part? The first 10%. Yeah, bro. I don't know, man. Stocks like this, you just gotta be careful. Again, if you come in and you see that the thing is moving, right? Like today, if I would have saw it, right? If I would have saw it when it dropped, bro, I would have went in. I would have probably went in like at 27 probably when I saw it, right? At 12 o'clock, right? I even saw my boy Bullish tweet and I was like, yo, man, it sucks because I already wasted my money. I have like, settled funds and unsettled funds. I don't want to use the unsettled funds because I don't know how long I'm going to hold this stock. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to hold this thing for more than, a couple of hours because I know this shit be dropping like crazy. But yeah, man, this thing went up and this was like at 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I talked to him. He's like, yo, this thing is moving. Next thing you know, this shit goes to 70. Even if I would have got at 30, that's shit, bro, that's a lot of money, man. If you really think about it, you could really make some bread out here. Again, today was a green day for me, so I'm not gonna complain. It's a very, very small green day. I'm being conservative right now with my own trading until I see the right moment. I'm trying to have every day green, okay? And I'll show you guys exactly where I'm at right now. You know what I mean? Like, we took a couple of L's, my guys. Okay, we took a couple of L's. Okay, we took a couple of L's. We started up here, right? We started from here, right? We built it up, boom. 15K traded from my other stocks that I had. Went with it to Webull, right? We went up, boom, 35. Came back down, boom, brought it up, got it to 51,000. And then the last couple of weeks, I'll be honest, I've been catching L's. And it's because I made so much money so quickly in the beginning of, this year that I started doing dumb things. And again, we're going to be doing a video on how to make sure you don't lose your profits. Because again, these are things that everyone goes through, but people don't show it. So I want to make sure that I go in and show you guys from my mistakes so you guys can learn. Now, today wasn't that bad, right, at all. I actually got some profit, right? I actually got a little profit, a little bullshit profit, but it was good, right? We just trying to get all green days from now on, right? I ain't trying to catch no more L's, right? I want to keep everything a green day, right? And be conservative. And when I have a good time, right? that's what I'm trying to do. But again, you see, we have some big ones, right? Some big losses, 500, 1,030, you know, freaking 4,000, basically 4,000 the next day. Like, I caught L's, man. And we're going to be talking about that in the next few videos where I go in and break down what was the issues, what was the things that I was doing wrong, and what I'm doing now to make sure that now we always have a green day and, you know, just wait for the right opportunity. But again, guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this topic that we did here. UCAR, man, shoot, if you caught it, congratulations. You got yourself a bag. You made some money, my guy. For me, I missed the boat, right? And that's fine. Okay, I ain't mad at it. Before, I will be like, you know, the fear of missing out. Like, man, I should have went in there, and that will mess up my day. I'll be pissed off because I ain't put no money on it. Like, so what? I'm green today. You know what I'm saying? I ain't lose no money. I just made money. It's true. It's $130, but it's fine. You know what I'm saying? It was supposed to be 500, but I did something dumb. I left, what was it? I can't remember if it was PTI. I let it ride for a little bit. There's some stocks you can't let it ride. You know what I'm saying? Some stocks you got to go in, make your money, and come out. And, you know, I was talking to my wife, talking to the kids. When you're doing day trading, you got to be focused, man. Again, because you can miss something. That shit drops right there. You should have had a stop order to make sure that you don't lose no money. But it is what it is. I'm still green. I caught it right on time before the shit started dropping even worse. But it is what it is. Tomorrow is another day, and we're gonna continue doing what we do out here. As long as we all green, that's what I care about, right? The money side of things, how much we make, it could be 1,000, could be a million. As long as it's always green, that's all I really care about, right? That's all I really care about, to have a green day every single day. That's about it. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm going to stop right here. I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. If you're new to the channel, yeah, we're going to be dropping a lot of videos. See you guys later. Peace.